What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Only Wanna Be With You by Post Malone. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll curb stomp your soul out of your taint. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and it's got just a few chords that pretty much repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook in the video description, and I will put a full chord sheet there. That way you can look at the lyrics and see exactly where the chord changes are, but I'm going to show you all of the basic chords and chord progressions here. The main two chords that you need to know are going to be G major. It's ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. And then you need C major, which is ring finger 3rd fret A, middle finger 2nd fret D, index finger 1st fret B. And you will need A minor, which is middle finger 2nd fret D, ring finger 2nd fret G, index finger 1st fret B. And then you will need D major, which is index finger 2nd fret G, ring finger 3rd fret B string, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Now the main chord progression for the song, which is all the verses, is going to be G and C. They're just alternating, and your strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now the intro of the song has that G and C progression twice, and then it goes to your D chord. It looks like, or it's 3 times, and then it goes to the D. It looks like. And that's just 2 down strums and muting. I'll play that for you one more time. 1, 2, 3, down, down, and then it jumps into the verses, which are that same. It's that same. And now your choruses are a little bit different. They go to your A minor, and the first one is, it's kind of like a half chorus. They're very, very short. The first one is just A minor and C. Coming from the verse, it looks like. That's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then back to. That's your first chorus. Pretty much the rest of the choruses are full choruses. Like I said, they're all pretty short, but those progressions are that same A minor to C, and then back to G and C twice, and then A minor to your D with the mutes, and all that together would look like. And then back into the verses. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, and then back into the verses. So I'll play from the verse to that chorus, back into the verse, so you can see what all that looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.